Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will teach you how to merge Excel files. For example, you would like to merge two files into one. We have this file is quarter one, and here we have January, February and March data. And let's open the second one. This is quarter two, and here we have the April, May and June data. So let's merge these two Excel files. So to merge them, let's merge Excel quarter two file to the first one. So just select these first, second and third. So after selecting them, right click, move or copy. After right click, move or copy. Okay, what you should do, first of all, select all sheets. Okay, like first sheet, press control, second sheet, don't leave control, third sheet, then right click, move or copy. And here where you would you want to just merge. Okay, just I want to merge it to the quarter one file, and here select move to the end. It means that these sheets will be moved to the end of those sheets. These are the quarter one sheets, January, February, March, and these sheets will be moved to the end of these sheets. And create a copy, press OK. So look at, in the quarter one file we have these sheets: Jan, Feb, March, April, May and June. All sheets are here in the first one. So like this you can do and copy from other Excel files to this one. So this is the method that you can do. And the second way is to use VBA. So we will not use that in this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.